Top 10 World's Highest Waterfall. 10. Vavalifossan Waterfall, Norway, 660 meters, 2,165 feet. Located in the municipality of Odda in western Norway, Vavalifossan Waterfall is a remote and inaccessible waterfall that flows from a glacier. 9. Sutherland Falls, New Zealand, 680 meters, 2,231 feet. Located on the Fiordland National Park of New Zealand's South Island, Sutherland Falls is a three-tiered waterfall that drops from an elevation of 1,900 feet, 579 meters, to the base of Lake Quill. 8. Copper Canyon Waterfall, Mexico, 694 meters, 2,277 feet. Located in the Sierra Tarahumara Mountains of Mexico, Copper Canyon Waterfall is a remote and inaccessible waterfall that flows from a canyon. 7. Khon Phapang Falls, Laos, 709 meters, 2,326 feet. Located on the Mekong River in southern Laos, Khon Phapang Falls is a series of rapids and waterfalls that stretch for over 11 kilometers, 7 miles. 6. Gura Pasumi Waterfall, Russia, 725 meters, 2,379 feet. Located in the Kamchatka Peninsula of Russia, Gura Pasumi Waterfall is a remote and inaccessible waterfall that flows from a glacier. 5. Yosemite Falls, USA, 739 meters, 2,425 feet. Located in Yosemite National Park, California, Yosemite Falls is a three-tiered waterfall that drops from an elevation of 2,425 feet, 739 meters, to the base of Hetchy Valley. 4. Vedisfossen, Norway, 820 meters, 2,690 feet. Located in the Luster municipality of Norway, Vedisfossen is a tiered waterfall that drops over several levels of rock and cascades. 3. James Bruce Falls, Papua New Guinea, 835 meters, 2,740 feet. Located in the Sandaun province of Papua New Guinea, James Bruce Falls is a remote and inaccessible waterfall that flows from a glacier. 2. Tugela Falls, South Africa, 948 meters, 3,110 feet. Located in the Drakensberg Mountains, Tugela Falls is a multi-step waterfall that drops over several levels of rock and cascades. 1. Angel Falls, Venezuela, 979 meters, 3,212 feet. Located in Canaima National Park, Angel Falls is the highest uninterrupted waterfall in the world, dropping from a mountain plateau into the Gauya River. The height of waterfalls can be difficult to measure accurately and may vary depending on the source and method of measurement.